Hello everyone, I'm Chelsea D. Bajao from grade 10 Prudence Batch 1. Today's video will be cooking pork sinigang. First, we must clean the pork with water and add water to a casserole and boil them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we may now add the fresh clean and cut onions, followed by the tomatoes, ginger, hollow buyo peppers, and salt. Cover to boil again. Once it's boiled, add the radish, beans, then cover again to boil. Add the okra, then the spinach. Then mix well. Then add 1 pack of sinigang. Lastly, pepper. It's done.
Kulang sa asim, pero masarap.